Just a few ingredients, a simple technique. These are going to be the easiest ribs you've ever cooked in your life, and I believe they're going to be the best. This is one of the simplest recipes I've ever cooked for ribs on this channel. Just a few simple ingredients. It's going to go on the smoker for a couple hours, not long. No sauce, no basting, no wrapping in foil. It's so simple. Thank you, Big Bad John, one of our subscribers, for sending in this recipe. Let's go ahead and start cooking. The first thing we're going to do, and you do this whenever you cook ribs, is you remove that silver skin on the back, which I've done. And then I have a seasoning that's made out of a few simple ingredients: salt, pepper, garlic, 3 things, equal portions. On my Tuesday video of kitchen tips and tricks, I'll give you that recipe. Now, what I did yesterday in preparation for this video, I went ahead and pre-seasoned my ribs with this mixture, a generous seasoning on it, and I put them in the refrigerator overnight so they dry up a little bit. And now we're going to start putting these on the grill. The first thing you want to do before you do that is baste these down real good with some lemon juice. So that was about the juice of 1 lemon. Don't worry about those seeds, as I said. They're going to disappear in a minute. So what I'm going to do now, my grill is on 250 degrees. We're going to cook these nice and slow and low. We're going to cook these in this grill, my little Smoker Brothers smoker, and we're going to cook them the meat side down. This is very important. I'm going to put them up there. Now, if you're cooking this on a charcoal grill, be sure you cook it on indirect heat. Keep that temperature about 250 degrees. We're going to leave them just like this for about a good hour, hour and a half. And then we're going to come back and we're going to baste them again. We're going to turn them over. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to share with you another secret that will give these ribs that rich mahogany look that we always like on ribs. So I'm going to close it. We'll be back in about an hour and a half. It's time to baste these. We're going to pull our lid open here. They're looking fabulous. See how that seasoning is set up on those ribs? Looking really good. We're looking for an internal temperature of about 205 degrees. So we're going to turn these over and we're going to cook these for about another hour. They're browning up real nice on this side. So we're going to baste those really, really good with the lemon juice. Okay, what I'm going to do now is a little deviation from the recipe because I want that mahogany look on it. Now, if you don't want that, you can just pull them out just like this when they're done. So they'll look something like this, but I like that mahogany look. So I'm going to take some of Malcolm Reed's Killer Hog barbecue rub, one of my favorites, and we're going to sprinkle on there. And that lemon juice will help bind this on here, so I don't have to worry about that. But a nice little generous seasoning on this. Remember, we're not wrapping these, we're not basting these with a bunch of seasonings, and we're not going to put barbecue sauce on these. So far, it's been pretty simple. Let's let them cook for another hour or so. We'll come back and check. We're going to see if they're about 200, 205 degrees. And then we're going to pull them and we're going to eat some really, really good ribs. All right, this is the money shot here. The ribs are ready. They're right at 200 degrees. I temp them. And I want to show you a little trick here. You see how flexible they are? They're not falling apart. These are not fall off the bone ribs. I like my rib meat to cling a little bit to the bone in this case. And look how flexible they are, elastic to them. And these are beautiful ribs. I tell you, wasn't that simple? The simplest rib video I've ever done or even seen. And I'll tell you, these things are going to be so, so good. Try it out. Let me know how it works out. Be sure to like the channel, subscribe. Until next week, All Things Food with John Woods. Love to cook, but cook to love, and cook you some of these great baby back ribs.